Hey everybody, this is Dwight here at Retro Crypto YouTube channel. It's October 16th, 2024 at 5:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the good old US of A. This video is going to be on SUI. I want to do a nice deep dive into SUI. They're making big things happen and they're definitely moving up in the market cap and it really needs our attention. You know what I mean? I want to do some technical analysis. That's my little forte. That's what I'm really good at. And I also just want to talk about SUI and a project. Well, just one token on it has my attention right now, but I'm gonna show you where you can find more, and maybe you'll find something that I should do a video on, and I would appreciate it. But before we get started, I'm just a financial advisor. I'm I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, guys, pause for a second, hit that like button, and leave a comment. You have no idea how much love that shows me. And while you're at it, bless me with a subscription. All right, show me you appreciate the videos. All right, guys. So I bet you're wondering, what is this SUI he's talking about, right? All right, at the end of the previous bull run, right towards the end, I started hearing about SUI, and I believe it was on BitBoy's channel back then, and he was saying that it was a potential Solana killer, and then it was kind of quiet after the release, and now they're on the move and they're moving quickly. Their market cap position is currently has moved up to number 18. So they probably will make it to the top 10 if they keep this pace going. Their 24-hour volume is 906 million in dollars worth of movement. The market cap currently is set at 5,850,000,000. These numbers are crazy. It was hard for me to fathom how much cryptocurrency has increased in value, guys. It's amazing. Like Bitcoin's at 1.34 trillion. What? But anyway, that's whatever. That's stay focused, right? All right. So SUI. What is SUI? Well, SUI is where is SUI? There it is. It's up 4.8% right now. All right. So that's a quick, brief overview of SUI. What is it? All right. SUI is a new blockchain platform focused on scalability, security, and programmability. It's built on the Move programming language and offers potential for growth due to its unique advantages. All right. Key features include high transaction throughput, parallel processing, robust security, developer-friendly tools. SUI has a variety of use cases including DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and more. Its tokenomics involve the SUI token for governance and rewards. All right. Man, it's just this project is bringing a lot to the table and it's fast. All right. Did a transaction to my wallet. And when I say, everybody knows I'm a Cardano lover. I love Cardano, but it's not decentralized, so it's far from the fastest. And I mean, I'm sorry, it's decentralized. It's not centralized. So it's not the fastest, but I was telling you, as far as I'm concerned, Solana is centralized and SUI is centralized, but the speed is amazing. And you got to give the respect where it's due. All right. But I still love Cardano. Don't get it twisted. All right, so let's do a quick dive into the technical analysis side of SUI because that's why you clicked on it. That's what's on my little image of the picture, right? All right, here we go. All right, so SUI, I wanted to start off this with comparing SUI against Solana, ADA, and you know what, guys? While we're on it, let's just fix this on the fly. I want to add Bitcoin to this right now. Kind of important. I can't believe I missed it. Okay, so we're at Bitcoin in there. And against Bitcoin. All right, so SUI is up. Now we're going to do this from January 1st of 2024. SUI is up 245%. Then we have Solana in the background is up 176%. Then we have Cardano is down. I'm sorry, Cardano, which is up 62%. And then we have, I'm sorry, Cardano is down. I'm sorry, this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 62%. And Cardano is down 13%. Now, that hurts me so much, but it's reality. And, we got to really keep a close eye on this SUI, guys, because this baby is moving. And it's actually moving faster than Solana at this moment. All right, so jumping forward with the charting here. Now, what this is my market cipher open source. It's called Fu Manchu. It's open source version of Market Cipher. You can find it on TradingView, and it's free. All right, so I have this set to the daily chart right now, and SUI on September 8th fired off with a change from previous trend. That's that little triangle there, and then a long signal, which is that little green dot, and a bunch of bullish continuations, a bearish continuation, a bunch of bullish continuations, and one bearish. So according to this chart, we are still very bullish on it. Now, down here with the Fu Manchu B chart, you'll see that the volume is down. The yellow right here is the volume. The volume is down on the daily chart. The momentum is still up, which is blue, but there is firing off a sell signal right here, and we're opening up on that channel on a downward trend. So it does. We are in the middle of a bit of a pullback, and the chart is definitely showing that it's currently a pullback. So let's put this on a 4-hour chart, and it may show us a little bit more detail of what we're looking for here. All right, so on a 4-hour chart, we can see that there was a change from previous trend on October 11th, and that's when the long signal fired off on October 11th. Also, a bunch of bullish continuations, then a bearish, bullish continuation, bearish. There was a short signal that fired off October 15th, and then there's the pullback. Now, this little X indicates the short signal. All right. Now, if we go down to the Fu Manchu B chart, you'll see that it was confirmed from October 7th to October 14th. It did confirm that there was going to be a pullback, and the sell notification was confirmed, and we wrote down the channel. It looks like we've bottomed out, and this green dot is a long signal, so it looks like we're potentially hitting a long signal right now, and we're going to be going the opposite direction, which is good news. And cash flow is down, but momentum is down, but volume is up. So that's where we're at with this right now, guys, according to the Fu Manchu chart. Now, if you guys don't know, I like to do a lot of different charts to get a real good feel for a project, and then you can decide on your own what you want to do, okay? Like right now, this chart is telling me that she's bullish, guys. I'm going to go with bullish sentiment as of right now with this chart. If I look at the 2-hour chart, definitely going to go with bullish. The momentum is pushing northward and the volume is actually up. All right, so let's jump over here to the next chart for SUI. And right here you have Bollinger Bands. So you can see we're bouncing between these two Bollinger Bands. That's the blue here on top and the bottom. Bottom is bearish, the top is blue. You can see on the 4-hour chart, we are definitely in the bearish territory beneath the median according to the Bollinger Bands. Now the Ichimoku, which is a fun technical analysis tool, it predicts the future movement of the market. So in the 4-hour, looks 4 days into the future, which is never guaranteed, but it's pretty accurate. As you can see, a lot more than is wrong, which is pretty wild. But you can see that's predicting that it's going to continue this bullish trend. All right, even on the daily chart, it predicts that it's going to continue this bullish trend. Let's jump right down here. Now we got the classic stochastic RSI and the RSI. All right. Now the stochastic RSI is short term. RSI is long term. Short term, it looks like we bottomed out on the 4-hour chart, and we are actually moving northward again. So we are definitely on the bearish side of things with it, but things are swinging around. So there may be a little bit of bullish sentiment coming. The 2-hour chart is definitely bullish, but the 4-hour chart is showing change, but it's not there yet, okay? Now, when it's stochastic RSI, we're at the median line on a 4-hour chart, so we're about to cross over to being bullish, and the 2-hour chart probably has us, oh, we're still in the median with the 2-hour chart, so that's very interesting. All right, so let's take a jump over to the next chart here. Now we're looking at the exponential moving average. The exponential moving average on a daily chart has SUI being extremely bullish, okay? And then I have a fear and greed indicator down here, which is a fun tool to utilize, and it has it very greedy right now, okay? So if we look at the 4-hour chart here, you'll have it, the exponential moving average with the 4-hour chart is showing bullish tendencies, like it's pushing up into the ribbons, but it's not through them. So it did peak through the top here, so it's trying to go bullish, but I like to say it has bullish tendencies. That's what I say there. Now on the 2-hour chart, it's definitely trying to go aggressively into them. The 2-hour chart, people are a bit greedy on it. 4-hour chart, people are fearful. It's just like I said, I like to look at a lot of tools, and come to your own conclusion. But for me, looking at these charts overall, bullish on the first chart, second chart, we're experienced a little bit of a pullback, but I think it's about to swing around. So I'm going to declare it. Fu Manchu was saying, in my opinion, it's bullish. Ichimoku is definitely bullish. RSIs, they're kind of neutral. They weren't. It wasn't the RSI, the static RSI. In my opinion, I couldn't go either way with that. Exponential moving average, I'm going to say it's still bearish territory, but it wants to go bullish. So that's where I see what the charts are telling me. You got to tell yourself what they're telling you. All right, don't forget to hit that like button. Let's jump over to the next thing I want to show you guys real quick. Remember, the like button, and leave a comment, and subscribe. All right, so if you want to learn more about SUI, just go to CoinGecko, right? And then you click on categories, and then you go to, here, I'll do it for you, categories, and then you want to go to, no, I'm sorry, it's the cryptocurrencies. Bear with me, guys. I want to show you the right way so you can look this stuff up yourself. The more you educate yourself, oh, I'm sorry, here it is, chains. You want to go to cryptocurrencies, then go to chains, and then scroll down. They're at a number 9 position currently. You click on SUI, and then you'll see these are all the different projects that's currently on that blockchain. So it's kind of useful information here, in my opinion. And what I've been doing this week, I've just been like clicking on a 7-day and see who's on the move. One project that really has my attention personally on SUI is the Cetus protocol. According to the Fu Manchu chart on the 4-day chart, it was experienced a heck of a pullback on a 4-hour chart, not 4-day, 4-hour. You had a bearish continuation, a short signal, a heck of a drop, a sell signal, and it's looking like it's bottomed out for right now. The Fu Manchu B chart here is indicating a long signal firing off. The volume is moving up, and it looks like the momentum is starting to move back up in the right direction. But the cash flow is definitely negative on a 4-hour chart. If we look at the 2-hour chart, 2-hour chart's actually indicating potential market manipulation right here. But it definitely looks like we're moving in the right direction, guys. Momentum's definitely moving up, and the volume's up, and we're starting to open up a channel right here, a bullish channel. So that's good news. Cetus also, if I did this chart here basically from August 6th, this is when it hit its recent bottom. Since then, it's up 353%. I should have shown you what Cetus is. I apologize. Cetus is basically like a, where is it here? Here's a website. Okay, so Cetus is a DEX, and it just looked pretty cool. I mean, it's a DEX. They offer different things, but basically it's a DEX. It's legit, and you should look into it. You know what I mean? I'm not saying buy it. I'm just saying look at it. And I'm also saying go here and do some research. Tell me what projects you want to cover. Tell me what technical analysis you want me to provide. I appreciate it. The more help I get from you guys, the better my channel will be. Do not ask me to do meme coins. I don't believe in meme coins. I view them like NFTs. A lot of people are going to lose their butts due to meme coins, and when the market is all said and done. And morally, I just don't believe in it. The quick cash grabs. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. If you didn't enjoy this video, hit a dislike button. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. But hit a button and also leave a comment. And until next time, stay blessed. All right, peace out, guys.